if you are going to protest that, at least ask what you are going to protest about. When you are going to come up on the road,
I'm understanding.
If it's even what FID mean, please just tell me when me I come out on the road can do.
Bro.
I just want to know that little piece, nothing else.
Let me ask you one question. You feel good, not true?
Me feel rich.
You know why we know you feel good? You always talk about sheep nation. And brother, I was a bunch of sheep there,
Yo, you know, so one of the viewers comment and say we all are sheep. We follow somebody. And it's true. We follow somebody in that. And when you think about it, it makes sense. Because you rate Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
You consider as a sheep. Me rate Alkaline.
So you're a sheep too.
Consider as a sheep, but different type of sheep. So hold on. The next man we follow Argentina. The next man we follow Germany. They are sheeps. If you follow any kind of sports, you are a sheep.
But bro.
So the viewer,
so this.
No. Dog, them a goat. Dog, how the fuck you come on street?
Brother.
Dog, we can't understand my youth. You don't know no sense or something, bro.
Bro, listen up.
So,
I them see for themselves on TV. They see themselves on TV now. This is an embarrassment. You pick the public college. And you pick the cities.